This week marks 1 year since a series of tornadoes swept through Middle Tennessee. Tonight, they'll be holding a ceremony in Mount Juliet as people there reflect on the impact the tornado had on them.
Amy Breedlove is with MJ for Hope, which has served the community in the wake of that tornado, and she joins us by phone. Thanks so much for being with us.
Thanks for having me.
Amy, tell me about tonight's event, because this is actually going to be held, we're talking, hours before the storm did hit.
Right. There's going to be a candlelight vigil just to honor the families and just to remember. There are families that have moved on, and there's families that are still struggling. So it's just a time to remember and to remember the lives that were lost actually during the tornadoes.
And can anyone come? What's the process going to be like?
Anyone. This is open to the community. It will be live streamed on the city's Facebook pages. With the people that we have helped and the families, we had over 150 contacts that we sent out emails to invite them, and just to check up on them and see how they're doing. There's people doing really well, and there's people that are just still dealing with some trauma and recovery.
As a resident of Mount Juliet, I can tell you, while you have seen so many people recover out there, you're also seeing a lot of homes and things of that nature where people are still trying to recover. So tell me how you're working to help them out.
In the process, we're still receiving applications, and but people are just now getting permits to rebuild their houses. So from a financial standpoint, we still have funds to help, and we're still in these phases that we're offering financial support if they need it, and still actually receiving applications.
I know tomorrow's going to be, and tonight is going to be a very difficult time for a lot of people, but also kind of a healing process. Are you guys going to try to embrace that?
Yes. The community just wants everybody to know that we're still here for them. This was a shock to everyone, and I think that the families, knowing that the community is remembering them and still praying for them in their recovery, hopefully will be a good support to them.
And during this time, you kind of touched on this, but what does it mean for you to be able to see the whole community kind of come together to help each other out?
It's just a testament to what the city's done. We've never been hit with anything like this, and from this, as big as this tornado was as a city. Yeah, I've been here my whole life, and there's never been nothing. I mean, the city came together quick. We weren't prepared, but I feel like as a community, everybody came together to begin the recovery and to help these families.
Amy, thank you so much for your time, and thank you for all you're doing in the community.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Thanks for your time.
Of course, tonight at 5:45 in Mount Juliet at the Town Center Clock Tower.